Welcome to Vectorland. So in this problem, it's asking to find a unit vector from the point P 1, 2 toward Q 4, 6, and then find a vector of length 10 pointing in the same direction. Let's just solve the first part of this problem first. P at 1, 2 and Q at 4, 6. So you can easily write a vector that pointing from P to Q. So it has shifted 3 to in the x direction, so you have 3i, and up 4 in the y direction, so 4j. But this is a vector, not a unit vector. So we have to convert this into a unit vector. In order to convert this into unit vector is a vector divided by the magnitude of the same vector. So we'll have 3i plus 4j all over divided by the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared. This is the same thing according to the Pythagorean theorem. If you have P here and you have Q here, and this is the 3, this is 4, and this is 90 degrees angle, so you'll have a 5 according to the Pythagorean theorem. So the unit vector will be, and since this is 5, 3/5 of I plus 4/5 of j. Now moving on to the second part. Second part is asking to find a vector of length 10 pointing in the same direction. What does pointing in the same directions means? If you have a two vector pointing in the same direction, say this and that means one is the multiple of a scalar multiple of each other, which means the new vector we're looking for, let's say it's v1, will be equal to a scalar times the unit vector. Since this is a scalar, it applies to both directions. So vi will be 3/5 ai plus 4/5 aj. And we need to find a. What's a scalar? And it here says it's length 10. So which means the magnitude of this vi is 10. And same as the Pythagorean theorem, we can say that the square root of 3/5 a to the square plus 4/5 a to the square will be equal to 10. So it's not hard to solve that you could just find a is 10. And now we say, wow, we just have a length of 10, and so we just multiply 10. Yes, because what we find here, it's a unit vector, which means it's a vector that has this direction without a magnitude, which is another word for length. So if he's asking you to find the length of 10, it simply is using unit vector times 10, which will give us 6i plus 8j. Thanks for watching.